What's up guys, in today's video I'll be showing you one of my best trading strategy that if you get to learn, you're gonna make money from the market also. This strategy is what I've been using for about 2 years now, and I've been making reasonable money from the market whenever I spot it in the market. So I would love to explain it for you in this video so you can get to learn it and get to know it well, so that whenever you see the opportunity to use this, you get to use it and make money from the market also. And for those of you that are new to this channel, if you're a beginner, if you're an advanced trader and you want to learn more about the chart, you can go back to the videos that I've created before. I've done a lot of videos on everything that you need to know about the Forex market, how to become profitable, how to trade the market, starting from the introduction to Forex trading, support and resistance, liquidity, a lot of things, man, market structure. There's nothing about the Forex market that I haven't thought about already. So all you just have to do is go back to my former videos, get to watch them and get to learn about the market also. And also don't forget to like and subscribe if you get to learn something from those videos, and also get to share with your friends so that they can get to learn it also and get to make money from the market. So right now I'm very close to ending all of my educational content. Then I get into flipping accounts. Let's do it once and for all. I know I've done some little flips already, and there are some that I haven't completed, but I have to just keep it for the meantime, then get to complete my videos by giving out all my strategies to you guys so that you guys can learn from it and get to make money from my strategies also, because they work very well and they help me in making money from the market also. So it's a good thing to share it with you guys and get you guys involved in what I do, and also get to make money from learning it from me and getting to practice it on your demo account first before you get to practice it on your real account. Because whenever they give you any strategy, they give you anything in the market, first of all you have to do what? Practice it on your demo account, then you can get to practice it on your real account. Because if you don't get to practice it on your demo account, there's no way you're going to learn on how the thing works in the market, but you just get to do what you just saw, and from there you get to lose money from the market also. If you're new to the channel, don't forget, my name is Philip Joshua. So let's get into the chart. Let me show you one of the best strategies that I've been trading for a very long time now, and it has been working for me, guys. Let's get to the chart. Let me show you on how this one works in the market. Let's go. Alright, here's another powerful trading strategy of mine that I would love to share with you so you can get to know it and get to make money from the market also. You know, a lot of times we get to trade and we don't get to do the right things, so we get to make losses in the market, we get to lose money in the market. So looking at this point now, you can see what the market is doing. There is a market that I was expecting that at first the market would get back to this place, which is this 79149.57. So I was expecting the market to get to that place, and the market came and did what? Move with some continuational candles in this side. So around this side, the market came, confirmed that this area was not going to push the market towards the upside. So the market came around this place, got some kind of rejections in this side. Then at this point the market came and got a retest at this place where we got rejections in the market. If I was someone that doesn't know a lot of things in the market, I could have still expected that the market will still drop towards this side. But since I know some things about the market already, I knew that there's a strong rejection around this place, and I got to use that knowledge about this place to explain this side also. So looking at this side now, the market came and gave us a fair value gap candle in this place. So when we got this candle in the market, I was still expecting that the market will now drop towards this side. But due to the fact that I've seen what happened in this side and how the market moved toward the upside using rejections to move, I saw that around this place also there's a new rejection in this place, telling us that the market is not going to drop from this side toward this side again. So around this place also the market came, got another rejection around this place, confirming that this rejection is strong in the market, because there's a pin back candle around this side also, and pin back candles are very strong candles in the market also. So when the market came and got this rejection around this place, confirming that this place also is a strong area in the market, what I was expecting is that the market will still come back after breaking this place, getting a confirmation that the market is still going to push towards the upside. So around this side now, I expect myself to have an entry, which is this place in this market. So this place in the market was where I was expecting the market to push from. Then from there we get to get entries and get to make money in the market, because the overall target of this market is not even this place, but the overall target of this market is to take this structure away, which is this place where we have our 143293.89. That's the overall structure in this market. So around this place now, I'm expecting that the market to push from this side towards this side, and since I'm expecting that to happen in this market right now, what am I going to do? So the first thing you do whenever you want to get this kind of entries in the market, you go back to your lower time frame, which is the H4 time frame, and get to check if what you're saying is still accurate for you to, get your entry around there. Then from there you can get to make money from the market also. But on the H4 time frame, consider the market came, got a rejection around that place, and from there the market continued moving using continuational patterns in the market. But these continuational patterns can only be explained to you on the lower time frames like the M15. So around this place where we got our area of expectation in the H4 time frame right now, we're going to go down to our M15 time frame. So at first the market came around this place, and instead of the market to come and get some move towards this side, which is the market after breaking this place in this market, get a proper retest around this side, then from there the market start pushing towards the upside. So that move wasn't strong enough to push the market going, so the market came and formed a very good rally based drop in the market. Then from there the market started pushing towards the upside. So look at this place now. This is where we got our rally base and drop in the market. So after the drop, we get a retest around the drop, and from there the market will start pushing towards the upside. If you watch my video on market structure, you get to understand this also, because I got to explain this in the market structure video, and I want a lot of people to know it. That's why I had to explain it on that market structure video also. So around this place now, whereby we got this rally based drop in the market, then this area whereby we got our retest in the market, then from there the market started pushing towards the upside. If you are someone that has watched the market structure video already, if you are someone that understands the things about market structure, or you have watched the video to get to understand it, you know that this is a very good point whereby you get your entries. So I have to take my entries at this place whereby we got our drop in the market. So when we got a drop in the market, I was expecting that the market will now come very close to this place, but not taking this structure away if I thought the market is going to push toward the upside, because there's a strong pin bar and a strong rejection candle around this place that is going to push the market towards the upside continuously. So around this side now, I got to get my entries in the market. I took a lot of entries around this place, and look at what the market is doing, man. The market has gone very far, and the market will still continue to go as far as what we're doing. The market is accurate. So right now I expect the market to keep pushing until we get to this place, which is this side in the market. This place where we have our 143293.89. That's the place where I'm expecting myself to take profit in the market. But for now, we will keep seeing what the market is doing, because every calculation about this market is accurate, and I don't see any reason why the market shouldn't take this place away. So I expect the market to take this place away. Then from there, we expect the market to drop down towards this side. So this is gonna be our second entry in the market after this entry in the market. So I expect this entry to go and take this first, take profit in the market first. Then from there, we get a retest towards this side. Then from there, the market will gather more strength to push the market towards the upside again. Because currently what I'm seeing now is that the market is about to change its direction for a long-term movement. So this is not something that I will get to enter and be having some, shaking of mind and all those kind of stuff. So I'm just expecting the market to do these things. Let's see what's going to happen at the end of the day, guys. So whenever you see these places whereby you see rally based drop in the market, whereby the market has formed such kind of movement in the market, just get your entries around that place after the retest. Then from there the market will keep pushing towards the upside. So this is a very good movement, and I love it, honestly. I've placed my stop loss on break even already, so I have nothing to even risk in the market, because I know that the market is not going to come back to this place. That's why I had to put it in that side in case of reversals in the market. So right now I'm just waiting for the market to get to my take profit area, which is this point in this market. Then from there we get to close up with good figures in the market also. So that's it about this one. Get to understand how the rally based drop works in the market by watching that market structure video that I've made for you guys already. So let's get to the video. Let's get to conclude on this also. So that's how the strategy works in the market, and if you get to do it just like the way I told you on the chart, you get to see reasonable results from the market also, guys. So all I just want you to do right now is do well to watch the video very well and get to understand everything that I say in the video, so that you don't get to lose or get to miss out of information, then get to blame yourself for not doing the right thing at the right time, guys. Or get to download this so you can watch it over and over again and get to learn everything that I said in that video, guys. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to do what? Hit that subscribe button, don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to share the video to your trading friends so that they can get to watch it and get to learn more about the chart also, guys. So that's all for today's video. Hope to see you in the next video, guys. Peace and love.